I'm Simi, a storyteller and a story coach from Bangalore. And today, my friend Sima Shinoy, she is going to read a story from the Best of Grandpa Tales Tiny Tot Publications. Just enjoy listening to her story. And I must tell you, thank you for all the calls, that messages that I have reached. Oh my God, how did you do that? You'll get all the reply in few days. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Simi. Thank you so much. And today I'm going to read the story from Tiny Tot Publication, and the name of the story is The Bird Doctor. Once there was a man who loved birds a lot. He made an aviary. It was a large cage in which the birds could live and even fly around inside. Every day the man would keep fresh grains, nuts and water for the birds. One day, in the absence of the man, a clever cat dressed up as a doctor and went to the aviary. There he called out, "Birds, my friends, open the door! I have come to check you up. Your master has sent me." The birds were intelligent enough to comprehend the tricky trap being laid by the willy cat. "You are a cat and our arch enemy. We won't open the door at all." "But friends, I am a doctor. I cannot harm you, and this is a professional visit." But the birds refused to open the door of the aviary. The cat went away defeated. Then the birds chirped out loud. Just like a leopard never changes its spots, we all know the cat never mends its ways. So, did you like today's story? I love this. Please like, share and subscribe. Simi's Twitter.
So I'm sure that you'll like today's story. Kindly keep your comments going on. That really keeps both of us going on and on. I'll keep you updated with all the secrets as I told you after a few days. Thank you so much.